Hi, I'm Alison Moody. I'm the health editor of the Bulletproof blog. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 ways to sleep better that don't involve pills. Everyone deserves a good night's sleep, but too many people aren't getting enough of it. Did you know sleep quality matters more than duration? You want restorative rest, not 8 hours of restlessness. Today is the day to sleep better, fall asleep faster, and stay asleep. No pills required. Number 1, protect yourself from junk light. Blue light from devices like your phone, laptop, and TV messes with your brain's production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Watching Netflix late at night because you aren't sleepy is actually keeping you awake and wrecking your sleep quality. Yikes. How to reduce blue light exposure? Use blackout blinds. Unplug unnecessary electronics in your bedroom. Wear blue light blocking glasses. Stop using electronics 2 hours before bed. Use the night shift setting on your devices. 2. Meditate daily. Can't sleep because your mind is going a mile a minute? Studies show meditation soothes stress and anxiety, so you can tell those intrusive thoughts to simmer down. Meditation makes you aware of your automatic thoughts and impulses, so you can control helpful thoughts and shut down destructive ones. Meditation also rewires your brain to strengthen neural pathways that calm your nervous system so you can fall asleep finally. Meditate for 5 minutes each day. Work your way up to 20 minutes. Number 3, figure out your sleep chronotype. The early bird doesn't always catch the worm. Waking up early doesn't make you a better person. In fact, you might be biologically hardwired to sleep in. Your circadian rhythm is your internal body clock, and it's a little different for everyone. When you follow your body's natural rhythms, you'll sleep better and feel more alert and productive during the day. Clinical psychologist and sleep expert Dr. Michael Bruce identified 4 sleep chronotypes. Find your chronotype and use it to plan your day. Bear. Your circadian rhythm follows the sun. You feel ready for intense tasks in the middle of the morning and an energy dip in the mid-afternoon. Wolf. You're a night owl who loves to burn the midnight oil. Listen to your body. Go to bed later and wake up later. Lion. You're a morning person who gets a lot done in the AM. If this is you, go to bed early instead of scrolling through your phone at night. Dolphin. You're a light sleeper who struggles to fall asleep, wakes up frequently, and probably doesn't sleep enough. Reduce your stress and anxiety for a better snooze. Number 4, raise the top of your bed frame by a few inches. Ever wake up feeling stuffy? Sleeping horizontally puts pressure on your eyes, ears, face, sinuses, and even gums. Sleeping at an incline flushes out the debris that builds up in your brain throughout the day through a process known as lymphatic drainage. Inclined sleep helps you sleep better, reduces headaches and migraines, and even improves brain function. Plus, it's affordable. Just use bed risers on the 2 bedposts near your head and let gravity do the rest. 5. Fill up on fat at dinner. What you eat affects your sleep. Your brain is the fattiest organ in your body, and high-quality fats nourish your brain so it can properly repair while you sleep. High-quality fats also keep your blood sugar steady, so you sleep all the way through the night and you don't wake up at midnight feeling hangry. Load up on healthy fats at dinner time like wild-caught fish, grass-fed meat, and high-quality MCT oil like brain octane oil. Want even more sleep hacks so you can fall asleep faster, sleep better, and beat stress? Go to blog.bulletproof.com for more sleep solutions.